Hi everyone, my name is Katie, and today I'll be talking with you about City Academy's EMT track. What is an EMT? EMT stands for Emergency Medical Technician. They are healthcare professionals that respond to emergencies and are part of the Emergency Medical Services, or EMS. Most EMS professionals, including EMTs and paramedics, operate out of an ambulance. They are the critical link between the scene of an emergency and hospitals. They serve as the intersection of public safety and public health. EMTs have the basic knowledge and skills to help give people medical care at a scene. They are responsible for, but not limited to, responding to 911 calls for emergency medical assistance, treating patients en route to the hospital, providing CPR or bandaging wounds, and preventing shock and further injury to patients. Overall, EMTs work on the front lines of EMS. They are critical to treating and stabilizing patients before they reach the hospital. Working as an EMT is not for everyone. It's a challenging job, lifting and carrying patients and being there for them on their worst days. But it can also be extremely rewarding, serving others and saving lives. If you live in the city of Boston and are interested in becoming an EMT, you should consider a career with Boston EMS. Boston EMS is looking for people like you, people who care about their city, know the streets and neighborhoods, understand Boston's cultural diversity, and reflect that diversity too. If you speak one of the many languages used in Boston, you can make a valuable impact. It's important for Boston EMS to have people who live in the community to work for the community. City Academy covers the training costs for Boston residents to become EMTs eligible for employment through Boston EMS. I'll be breaking down the program into 4 steps in the next few slides. City Academy applicants who are accepted into the EMT training track begin by taking what is called the Bridge course. This is a course that's collaboratively provided by Excel Education and Boston EMS. This class prepares them for the training ahead, and it covers topics such as study skills, first aid, the challenges and benefits of being a first responder, and an overview of Boston EMS. The Bridge course requires a commitment of 10 hours per week for 3 weeks. Next is the Basic EMT course, which is taught by Boston EMS training captains. The Boston EMT course is a 6-month class that requires roughly 20 hours of work per week in combined instruction and study time. The course prepares students to do their best on a National Registry of EMT exam. Trainees must pass this exam in order to become licensed EMTs. A basic EMT course can cost $1,000 or more, but through City Academy, these costs are covered and participants receive an ongoing academic, career development, and personal support. After successfully completing the EMT course, students may take the National Registry of EMT exam. Once they pass this exam, they can then register with the state, and at this point, participants officially become licensed EMTs. The process of certification can take 1 to 3 months, and as a City Academy participant, exam and certification fees, which total over $200, are paid for you. Lastly, EMTs have the opportunity to apply for Boston EMS. Accepted candidates join Boston EMS Recruit Academy, a 6-month period of full-time instruction and field training with Boston EMS. In the Recruit Academy, participants are considered employees of Boston EMS and earn more than $900 a week, including salary and benefits. Graduates of Recruit Academy are promoted to full EMTs at Boston EMS with a starting salary of $63K, plus health insurance, pension, and union membership. During the 1-year probationary period, candidates continue to receive support from City Academy staff. If becoming an EMT is a career path that you like to take, City Academy is a great place to start. To be eligible, you must be a Boston resident, be 18 years or older, have a high school diploma or GED/HiSET, have a valid driver's license and a good driving record, meet the income guidelines, and be drug-free. The application can be found at owd.boston.gov/CityAcademy. For more information, go to owd.boston.gov/CityAcademy or you can email us at owd.boston.gov. To learn more about Boston EMS, go to boston.gov/EMS. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this program. In addition, feel free to watch this video about EMT's experiences on the job.